Hello and welcome. And so today we've got Stayc Young-luv albums. I have the Young-luv and the jewel cases, all 6 of them, all 6 members. And I noticed when I originally took these out of the box that this one had a sticker. This one does not. Something about like a warranty, like, you know, but I think it also says like don't sell without a sticker. So I'm pretty sure that's more or less what it says, right? Without like, yeah, it says void if seal broken. But they gave it to me like this, so I got no sticker on this one, but I got a sticker on this one. So, but yeah, we're gonna start with these, and I'm gonna start with the young version first. And I hate how reflective this is. I also hate that it's a bag. That's a whole other thing. But I guess we could just open it. I think it just opens, right? Oh, still another thing. The scent card. Oof, I can already smell it. There's another. I think that's it. Oh my god, that smell. And it's in a plastic bag and I can already smell it. But there's the scent card. Like, I wonder what this says. I wonder, is this all their names maybe? Or does it spell like Young-luv Stayc? I feel like this is a lot bigger than the album before. But yeah, oh my god, that smell. Not really good with like scents like that. And here we got, I think they're tattoos. Tattoos, and then we got, ooh, okay, this random member. Okay, we got Seeun. Very pretty. I think the other side's blank, which it is. Got Seeun's. That. Here is the CD. I think that's all this is. It's just a CD holder. Almost looks like it could open, but it doesn't. Just like really thick. I got the photo book. So I'm gonna see if I can take out everything, wherever it may be, which is like the very beginning. I think that's it. Yeah, I think so. So here's the photo book. Back, the side, younglove.com. Nice dent right there. Beautiful. Okay, so Sumin. Actually, you know what I just remembered? Did I even mention it was day 4? Just in case, I'm gonna say this now, it's day 4 of Stayc week. But yeah, there's the track list though. If you haven't listened to this album, very much recommend it. Very, very good album. Still another mini album, because they have yet to release a full album yet. But one day, hopefully, eventually. Run to You, same. 24/7, Young-luv, Butterfly, I Want You Baby. All such good songs. remember when this song first came out, I was like, okay, like it sounds like Stacey. Oops, missed a page. What is that? Okay. Like it sounds like Stacey, but like it's different than what Stacey usually releases. It's still really good. I really enjoy Run to You. Because before Run to You, it was, title track wise, was So Bad, ASAP, and then Stereotype. So Run to You is a lot different than those songs, right? But it still has like a Stacey, you know, flavor to it. Ooh, gray style, black and white. Run to You. Same, 24/7. Young-luv. Butterfly. I Want You, Baby. They're so pretty. Can't get over the fact that they're so pretty. Sumin. Sieun. I'm sure I'm not pronouncing their names correctly. Especially Isa. And I just figured out her actual name. And her name's Tail. So I think I'd rather just call her Tail because it's a lot easier to say than Isa. But yeah. Because I was looking at their age orders so I could figure out the order to open their jewel cases. And yeah. Just like Jay's name is Jung Ye. Just the same name as CLC Yoon. So that was cool. But I think the rest of them use more or less their real name. Like Yoon, oh god, now I don't remember. It's like something Yoon. Like that's her second half of her name. So they just call her Yoon. But yeah. It's Stacey. So we got that. And then so we've got, oh, I can feel the PC underneath it stuck. Stacey. We got Jay. Very pretty Jay. Full balloons. Jay. And then we've got, it's an AR card. Oh yeah, it's these. Forgot about these. We got Seeun's. Got Seeun's. And then we got Sumin. It's like the Sumin card. Every time I see this card is just gorgeous. Like, look at her. She is so pretty. So we pulled half of the group just right here. Well, actually with the poster, we pulled 4. 4 of the 6 members. So, yeah, pretty cool. And now we have the young version. And now we've got the love version, which this will be the first time me dealing with the sticker. I got my nail under it, but now it doesn't want to, there you go. I guess at this point you don't really need the sticker, do you? Just gotta take the whole sticker off. because it's not like it keeps the bag closed. There is a Ziploc, but yeah. So there's the front. Really hit how reflective it is. There's the back. And so I'm just gonna that everything? That is everything. Okay. And again, we got the tattoos, which I think are slightly different, possibly. I don't know. I don't remember. Got another scent card. It's the exact same thing. Oh my god, that smell. Very, very strong. Got Isa. I'm gonna butcher that name for the rest of my life. Isa or Cheong. It's called Cheong. A lot easier that way. Got the CD. CD. Makes me want to sneeze already because of the smell. Makes me want to sneeze. Last time it was like in the front page. No, it's not this time. Where is it? Oh, they're all individual. I can already feel it. Where is it? There it is. I think that's everything. It is. Okay. So here's the photo book. Front, back, and the side. Okay. Oop. Young-luv. I love how it's in the shape of a tank. I just love these colors. And this blonde on her, so good. Oh, the headpiece, so pretty. They're so pretty. I swear, Yoon in these bangs. I love how they have gun-shaped balloons. So here's the checklist again. They use the little heart shapes for these photos. So pretty. Oh, so pretty. Like, look at that. Oh, that was the poster that I got. It's that one. Wow, that's a stunning photo. Look at that. Seeun. Feel something on the paper. Seeun. So pretty. A heart with a heart. With a heart. She is the heart. Got Yoon. So they must have had like many different sized like hearts and what looks to be like separate like colors too of hearts. Okay. See, like this one's more green, or I guess maybe yellow, maybe even blue. Got an upside down shaped heart. Photo. Also pretty. Credits. Stacy. That's it. Ooh, that sound did not sound good. Okay, anyway, let's pull it out in the same order. So, got this. We got Seeun. So pretty. I truly love this blonde hair on her. It's like, it looks like there's stuff on this photo, but it's like not coming off. Seeun. Let's do the AR card. We got Jay. So pretty. The heart. And then we got Sieun. So I think at this point we've pulled every number, right? I think so. Have we? I want to say so. No, I feel like we're missing someone. Who are we missing? I want to say Isa, but or Cheong, but I think we pulled her poster, right? So this is her poster. So at least we pulled one of every member, but we do still have the digipacks as well. So we're gonna open those in age order. So it'll be Sumin first. Okay, so now we've got the digipacks, and starting with age order, we start with Sumin. And I'm just gonna take the plastic off. I might as well right away. I wish I had a pull tab thing, but this one doesn't. So let's about to cut it. Okay, so we got Sumin, her jewel case. So scratches, but that's gonna happen. Fortunately, one of them is cracked. It's not this one, but yeah. But we could just, I'll probably zoom in and then I'll open it. Shakes very crazy. Okay. Cha. Ooh. Got Jay's photo card. I love how it's just kind of in here. Out and about. So here's Jay. So there's Jay's photo card. Got the CD, which I'm sure all looks the same. Ugh, the sound. Okay, so pull this out. Sumin. Very, very simple. And then we also pulled J with it. And so next we have Seeun's. Now we got Seeun's. Okay, so we got Seeun's, which this is the one that's cracked, like very deeply so cracked, which sucks, but it is what it is. I think all the outside's the same. We pulled Seeun and Sieun's. I think there's only 6 cards, so I don't think it was 2 different sets. I think it's all the same. And then obviously the CD's the same. This is going to be slightly different. Seeun's, just slightly like dented on the side. I wish I had more photos because those were the only photos and then it's just these, but at least they're still like member specific in here. Except that's another balloon one. My baby. There you go. Seeun with Seeun. Woo. And then we got Isa or Taeyong next. And so now we got Isa or Taeyong. I'd rather just call her Taeyong because I feel like I'm butchering her stage name. Now we got Isa. Oh, it's got a little crack in it. Oh, we pulled another J. It is what it is. It was bound to happen. We got the little photo book. Same like balloon shot, I feel. Fortunately, we pulled another J, but it is what it is. And next we got Seeun. And now we got Seeun. So we're gonna just take off the plastic. Okay, so now I got Seeun. Oh, the outside's always the same. It's got a little dent in the corner. Ooh, we got Isa. Isa. Different member. As long as it's a different member, I prefer not to have like a 3rd J. Got Seeun. So pretty. Look at that cute little smile. But at least we pulled a different member. And then next we have Yoon. Let's see if I open it the same way as I did the other one. Oh, sort of, kind of, not really. Okay, so we got Yoon. The photo card is Seeun. I'm pretty sure it's only one set for these cards, right? I don't think there's multiple sets for these jewel cases. Now I got Yoon's. Very pretty tank. Wonder how long it took to make that tank balloon. Or balloon tank. There's Yoon. Pulled Seeun's card. And then next and last we have J. Okay, so now for J last. like a smudge or something on it. It definitely is got a different texture right there. You can see that swipe right there. I don't know. Unless it's like a really intense scratch. I don't know. But here's Jay's. Yay! Pulled Yoon's. I feel like for the last like 3 ones I pulled the member before that I opened. So who am I missing now? I'm just missing Sumin. I think Sumin just likes to avoid me. So I pulled 2 J's and I'm missing a Sumin. Here's J. There you go, there's Jay with a Yoon photo card. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing of Stayc's Young-luv.com. I do hope you enjoyed, and because it is Stayc week and today's day 4, you can go for the last 3 days to watch the So Bad, ASAP, and Stereotype that are already on my channel, but today's day 4, which was Young-luv. I am opening them in order. So tomorrow is the We Need Love album. And then after that, I have the teddy bear, which is just like the regular photo books. And then the 7th day, I'll have the digipacks and the gift version of teddy bear for the 7th day. So look forward to those. And if you haven't seen the ones before, go watch those. But I do hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you again. Bye.